Good morning, everyone. Myself Arpita Shivaji Naik from TY Civil B Division, roll number 49. This is our mini project of subject Emerging Trends in Civil Engineering. Project topic Green Concrete Utilization of Application. Projected by Ekta Gaikwad, Ashwini Ulhare, Arpita Naik, Neha Kanojia, Pratiksha Admane. Our project guide is Professor MC Sheikh Sir. What is the concrete? Concrete is the mixture of cement, sand, water, and coarse aggregate which can be poured into formwork and form a hard structure like a stone. Types of concrete. First, reinforced cement concrete. Second, plain cement concrete. Third, ready mix concrete. Fourth, lightweight concrete. Fifth, fiber reinforced concrete. Sixth, green concrete. Introduction to green concrete. Green concrete is a revolutionary topic in the history of concrete industry. This was first invented in Denmark in year 1998. Green concrete is the type of concrete which is much like the conventional concrete, but the production of such concrete requires minimum amount of energy and causes least harm to environment. Green concrete has nothing to do with color. What is green concrete? A concrete that made with concrete waste and use less energy in the production and produces less carbon dioxide than normal concrete. This is called eco-friendly and reduced environmental effect. For example, energy saving, CO2 emission, wastewater. Why green concrete? The main ingredient in concrete is cement and it consists of limestone, that is calcium carbonate CaCO3. During manufacture of cement, its ingredients are heated to about 800 to 10,000 degree Celsius. During this process, the carbon dioxide is driven off. Approximately 1 kg of cement releases about 900 grams of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Therefore, green concrete came into existence to reduce emission of carbon dioxide. Materials for green concrete: recycled demolition waste aggregate, recycled concrete aggregate, blast furnace slag means BFS, manufactured sand, glass aggregate, flash ash. Green lightweight aggregate, synthetic lightweight aggregate produces from environmental waste is available new source of structural aggregate material. The use of structural grade lightweight concrete reduces considerably the self load of structure and permit largest precast units to be handled. Advantages of green concrete. First advantage is the green concrete having better workability than conventional concrete. Second, reduction in shrinkage and creep. Third, green concrete uses local and recycled material in concrete. Fourth, the heat of hydration of green concrete is significantly lower than traditional concrete. Fourth, good thermal resistance and fire resistance. Conclusion of our project is the green concrete having reduced environment impact with reduction of the concrete industry CO2 emission by 30 degree 30%. Green concrete is having good thermal and fire resistance. In this concrete recycling use of waste materials such as ceramic waste aggregate so increase concrete industry use to wastewater by 20%. Hence green concrete consumes less energy and becomes economical. So definitely use of concrete product like green concrete in future will not only reduce the emission of CO2 in the environment and environmental impact but also economical to produce. Thank you everyone for listening me.